So within ModivCare, we made a lot of changes to the API. They made some adjustments this year, which allowed for different reasons for no-show and cancel to be sent with them via the API. So we released that immediately on time for them to be able to get that information from you to make the cancel no-show process a little bit smoother when you have rides that do unfortunately cancel or no-show with ModivCare. We also created the billing import menu. If you're working with ModivCare and you're not using this is a big thing you're going to want to touch on. We'll give you a little demo here. But within the billing import menu, you can take your remittance file from ModivCare and actually upload it into RouteGenie to post the payments for your trips that you're getting from ModivCare. So you'll be able to easily see which trips you've been paid for, which trips you've been partially paid for, and those that haven't been paid yet. So you know exactly what's owed to make sure that you're getting every penny that you're owed for all the work that you're doing. So that's very, very important if you're not using that. Again, we'll give you a quick demo, or you can reach out to our support team to get some help with that. We also created a threshold setting. Used to be that anytime ModivCare sent an update to a trip, it would go ahead and unassign the trip from the vehicle because a change was made. It might be a different place, might be a different time. We put in some threshold settings. So if the change to the trip is minor, it will not unassign it from the vehicle and leave it on the route. We'll ignore that change essentially if it's a minor change and leave the trip as is. And you get to decide how many minutes the trip can change for you to ignore it. So that allowed you to not have to worry about ModivCare sending you updates in the middle of the day and trips falling off of vehicles and falling off of their route. We made a couple of other small enhancements too. So things like adding the attested status, just so you can see whether or not you've sent a trip for a batch yet or not. We did some improvements to our webhook strategy to speed up billing and make things a little more efficient when it comes to billing. We also made some enhancements to improve signature transfers, where we're making sure that signatures are transferring more quickly and more often via the API with ModivCare.